Oh yeah. Walking with some kitties in the woods. I just almost tripped over a rock. I'm gonna die. We are arriving to our little spot now at the stream, and they are loving it. What are you doing, Lucy? What are you doing, buddy? Alright. Fire started. Got some firewood. Got some cats. What are you doing, Lucy? She does not care. She's like, whoa, I'm out in the wilderness. This is my time. What are you doing, Lucy? Huh? What are you doing, baby? Meow. Meow. Ooh, it's so majestic. Huh, baby? You like the woods?
Thanks.
I love you. Tell you what, even though it looks like it's about to freaking storm all over us, it is disgusting out. It has been an amazing day. Absolutely amazing. It looks like there is a start of some little trillium plants. They're scattered all over the forest. Heck yeah. What are you doing, baby? Hi. Just chilling with my girl Lucy. She's so happy outside.
I think we used the rest of ours. We bought silverware for us. I got you. I'll get out the picture. Just like that one on. Fucking do it.
What are they doing?
Don't put your fucking camera.
Yeah, what a little princess. Yeah. She's so cute. It ended up not being a rainy day. There was a little sprinkle, but look at this. We started a little fort. Things are going well. Got a nice little fire going, nice little fire pit. Cooking some potatoes. Oh yeah, look at those taters. Coil came off a little bit. And we're next to this gorgeous stream. What more could you ask for? Let's see. Oh yeah. This is a little camp. We didn't have enough time to really finish because we were pretty lazy about it. We just used a quick $1 emergency tarp as the roof. And this is what we came up with today. This is a lot of just scrap wood from everything.
Oh shit, she's turning. Keep going. Get up there! Ah, you bitch.
Finished little fort. I know, it looks nice, right?
Okay, you can't put Binx yet. You don't think? You got Lucy? This is little Binx who's also laying in our fort right now.
We are just finishing up some food. My battery's gonna die. So I think that concludes the day.